I left about 4 a.m. that morning to come home to check on the house and to check on my husband and dogs. And as soon as I pulled in the driveway, I knew that it had to have been a tornado because you could never see our backyard from the driveway. And I could see light, I knew the trees were gone.
This week's deadly twisters leveled at least 60 miles of land.
It's only 10 o'clock in the morning and already look how many people are lined up on this street all the way down the block in just one neighborhood. And this is just the beginning. What is the most uplifting thing you've seen?
All these people out here doing their very level best to help everybody in this community get back to some semblance of normalcy.
It's been crazy to see what all a tornado can do. You know, there's houses all the way to the ground. You know, everything's piled up on the side of the roads like crazy. Tarps on all these roofs. It's crazy to see what's happened, but it's also awesome to kind of see what the community's been doing. Volunteers have met from Arizona all over, you know, all coming together to try to, you know, get everything back together. It's kind of cool to see in that aspect.
Having these volunteers here is life-changing.
When I looked in the backyard and could see the school and the neighbors in the streets behind us, I knew that it was bad. It was just overwhelming to try to figure out how I was going to take care of the situation and what was I going to do with all this damage. And when you guys showed up to help us, I did not expect that. And the trees would still be down on the ground if you guys hadn't showed up, because I wasn't even thinking about getting those up.
My name is Merritt with ROWW, and we are here in Nashville, Tennessee. Great group of volunteers coming out and volunteering their time and putting all forth their efforts and putting their lives aside to give back to the community and to the world. And it's really amazing that there's generous people out there that are willing to give all that up for us. So let's get out there and reach out worldwide.